Hey everybody, we're just going to have a simple meal of burgers and some warmed up brats today. It costs a little more to cook on the grill because the price of charcoal, but man, it tastes so much better. It's what's for dinner, and I think that's ready. Won't be long now. It's going to be good. Finished product, not too shabby. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. From a Prevost to a van, it doesn't matter what you camp in, just get out there and camp. This is really, really nice. Star done her usual up to her belly, and that's about all she does. Sadie's down there looking for us. Star wants to go out and play with the other ones, but she's scared. She has not went out like that before. I'll go over here real quick and see if I might be able to find Gus. He may have washed up over here somewhere. I have one more beach I can check for Gus. We have been all up and down this area. We'll find him. He fell in one time where there was piranhas, and that's how he got like he is. What are you doing? You okay, Buzz? You okay, buddy?
I almost drowned. I had to swim 23 miles and I'm tired.
I've been looking for you for 4 days. My gosh, let's get you up out of there. Poor Gus. Boy, wouldn't this be a nice sight? Down in this woods right here. Wake up in the morning, put your chair out here and look down through there. I see a deer sauntering through from time to time, or some rabbits or whatever else might be back in here. Yeah, this would be a very nice sight to have. On yet another scenic trail. This is called Deer Run Trail. And it's an easy, I would say an easy trail. Got a bridge. No signs of Bigfoot yet. I have some friends down in Hocking Hills this weekend. I guess they actually did see Bigfoot.
Dad, I didn't mean to scare them kids.
Well, you did. I'm getting tired of it, Gus. Told you not to talk. When your voice talks, you scare things.
I'm sorry, Dad.
As you guys know by now, we did find Gus washed up on a rock. We drug him out, took him home, cleaned him up, dried him off, fed him. Got his energy back now. We got a lot of ducking and dodging on this trail. Thanks, Gus, for doing the video for us. Amazed to get through here. Look out, that stickers right there. There is some water, but there's no access to it.
Dad, did you see those kids fishing?
I sure did, standing right beside you.
I don't think I scared them like I do little kids.
No, I don't think you did either, Gus. Come on. If I get this to strike a little, there we go. This was made by Joe's Outdoor Places, this right here, you guys. This is a homemade fire starter. And we're going to put it right down in there. Put this stuff down in here on top of it. I thought I'd start the fire the good old-fashioned way tonight. Took a little effort, but it saved me a match, right? Gotta be somebody on here who's had bison before. Let me know in the comments. They said the herd of bison in Custer State Park is up over 1,000. And the cougar and bobcat's making a big comeback. That is really, really going to be tasty. Okay, let's try out this forever knife that I got today. 99 cents. Never need sharpened, this is the claim. Let's see if this bison is any good. So far, a little chewy. It's got a good taste. It's got the fire grilled taste is what's good. But somebody said it tastes like beef. It's a little pink. Somebody said it would remain a little pink even when done. This cut is a little fatty, and I really like it. Like the fat taste. taters good. I did not cook the potato. Let's try a piece of this shrimp. Grilled shrimp. Good. One more bite of this bison. Let's get in the middle. I wish it would have had a bone so I could test it with the bone, because cuts with bone is better. You know, it kind of looks like liver. Don't taste like liver though. Well, this wraps up another video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and we'll see you on the next one. Remember, love others the best you can. Never ever stop dreaming. I don't care if you're 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, or 90. All right? Have a good day, and see you on the next one.